As a daughter, wala akong masabi. Very mapagmahal na anak. Mabait na kapatid. Very supportive na kapatid actually.
Si Ate Jera, she's very mixed. Minsan sobrang bait niya, minsan parang she wants to eat me alive.
Well, sa kapatid niya, minsan sobrang sweet siya, maalalahan eh. Minsan naman, para sa tigre, yung ganun.
Just like this candle, we continue to be a light in every room that you enter and inspire others simply by being yourself.
Happy birthday, Jera! See you sa US!
Happy birthday, Gerald!
Wish you all the best! Happy birthday, Jera! We love you!
Cheers to your legality, Jera! We love you!
I pretend that they don't, but that was the old me.
Sana patuloy mo yung pagiging mabait mo and sobrang helpful mo and I won't know how to survive yung high school life ko, yung in general, like tinulungan mo talaga ako. Yun, sana patuloy kang ganyan. Huwag kang magbago.
I just want to drum with you tonight.
Anak, ayusin mo. Now on your legal age, I wish you all the best. Alam ko naman, alam mo yung limitations mo. At sana pagpalain ka lagi ng may kapal. I love you, anak.
I want you watch to remind you of time. Time is free, but it's priceless. You can't own it, but you can use it. You can give it, but you can spend it. So spend it wisely.
Jera, siguro naman, ngayon nasa legal age ka na, magiging mas responsable ka. Pero hindi ibig sabihin, legal age na, pwede nang gawin lahat. At least, you know your limitations. Alam ko anak, matalino ka. Happy birthday anak, sobrang mahal na mahal ka namin. Just enjoy the rest of the night. Sana na-enjoy mo yung nakayanan natin.
Celebrate tonight.